Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to change our Fiverr username. So as you can see, I am on Fiverr.com and in particular on my profile page. And this is my username right here, but from my profile page I cannot actually change it right away. The only thing that I can do right now is add like what they call a story in one line. That can be like, I don't know, I'm a web developer from Italy, I'm a graphic designer from the US, whatever it is, but this won't allow us to change this one. I found one way to change it, but it's not as simple as it gets, but let me show you guys. So we need to click on our profile, click on settings, and then here we need to deactivate our account. And when we choose, we can see here that we can select I want to change my username. So unfortunately right now the only way to change your username is to deactivate your account, which is not the best thing because you will lose all of the reviews that you have got if you are selling actually gigs. But I feel like if you're just buying on Fiverr, it's not a big of a deal since you don't have any reviews or any gigs saved. But yeah, this is the way that I found so far. I'll let you guys know if I find another way that doesn't need an account deactivation in order to do so. But let me know if you found this tutorial useful, and if you want to learn something more, comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.